5th gen Honda CRV. Does it need a catch can? Does it matter? Well, let's pull this one off right here, and you can tell me. But I think I know what the answer is going to be. And there it is right there. Oh, you know what? We have to look to see what's in that. Ooh, I haven't looked for one. I've been driving this. Here, hold this baby.
You know how to take that apart?
Yeah, pretty sure. Just screw out the bottom here. And... oh, that didn't sound good.
Oh man, that comes off way easier than mine.
Yeah, yours is kind of sucky.
I apparently Dr. Torqued it on there.
So let's talk about why we did this real quick. So we did this because these engines have a problem with oil leaking past this. Oh my gosh, I'm not even gonna show you that yet. with gas leaking past the rings and getting into the oil. And so I thought, you know what, why exacerbate the problem by having the crap be recycled back in there? So let's catch it. So we found a catch can, that guy did right there, and we put it on, and I haven't looked at this for a little while. So holy biscuits.
Another version of this story is that Jake used to have a different car that had a turbo on it.
Yeah.
And it allowed all of that gunk to be sprayed on the back side of the valves.
Oh, it's
and
horrible.
It looked like there was like stalagmites and stalactites. It looked like some sort of Middle Earth something or other thing going on in there.
They used to have the fuel go over the injectors and clean that, and they've changed it to a degree, right? I mean, that's kind of why.
This one is supposed to not have that same issue that the Mazda had, but why wouldn't you catch that gunk beforehand?
Yeah. And if you're wondering what goes back in there, let me show you. Look at that disgustingness.
Smell it.
Oh,
it smells horrible.
Oh, that's terrible. Look, that's got
I'm not even close
water
to it.
and crap, and I don't even know what all's in there. That's some sludgy crap. So, would I recommend a catch can on one of these? Bottoms up. Yes, I would. Let me show you how we mounted this baby. This is how we mounted it. We were trying to figure out a location, and I was originally thinking these brackets here, but none of those fit. So there's really a great spot right here, back behind there. There's a bolt that you can add on. This particular model came with a back plate that went down. And that works really good in location as well, because we could take the stock hose, right? This is the one that went from here right back there, and we just ran it to the, I guess this is the outside, is that how you'd say that?
I would say it's the inlet for the catch can.
Inlet for the, let's do the inlet for the catch can, and then this is the hose. This hose came with it actually, so we ran back down to its original location where this one went. I don't know if I explained that very well. You want to take a shot at that?
I think you did a pretty good job. Basically, we just put the catch can in line by adding another hose.
Well done. Well, I have them around sometimes. Explain stuff. But it was really not that hard beyond just kind of figuring out where it went. So let's take it off and let me show you what it is in case you move the order around here, Joel. That's terrible. Do the right thing and don't let that go back through your engine. So either bonus footage or a bonus little clip.
Oh.
And so I better.
It smells like an outboard.
Maybe that's what we got.
Boat motor.
It's Uncle Jake and Dr. Torque. Check out some more stuff like the lift on this baby right here, or the trailer hitch, or the lifted ridgeline. We're gonna take you out with the fist bump of friendship. Whoop-ow! Just in case that's extra, not a bonus, Joel.
Yeah, it should be its own thing.
It should be its own thing. Jumping in this video because I was doing just over here, minding my own business, doing my work, and I thought, you know what? I should check the catch can. And look at this. It's absolutely disgusting. Have yourself a drink of that. That's the junk that the catch can is taken out of this Honda CRV, and it's going to be all the Hondas. So if you're wondering if you should install a catch can, it depends on whether you like the looks of that. So cheers. Yeah, I can. Ugh. That's horrible. That was a bad joke. Oh my gosh. I'm glad I put a catch can on. All right, back to the past, future. Merp, merp. I don't know what that means.
What was the end of that last video of me doing? What was, my hat was on backwards, and what was I saying?
Applesauce?
Was it crisscross applesauce?
Crisscross applesauce. That's what it was.